Hello boys and girls. For today's lesson, we are looking into Unit 10, the world around us, and we are still looking into adjective grammar item, but specifically we are going to look into the topic of or the subtopic of our solar system. Alright, before we move on, let's look at our learning objectives for today's lesson. Okay, so basically by the end of this slide video, you should be able to read the information about our solar system, and after that you should be able to answer the comprehension question. Okay, what is actually our solar system? Alright, so this is a text that you can find in your textbook, your Get Smart book on page 98. Alright, so basically I'm not going to read all this. I hope you can read it on your own, but we are going to look into the summary of this text. Okay, so basically from this text, it tells you that there are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, what are the planets? There are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So these 8 planets are actually written um, in a sequence. Okay, so Sun is a star and a center of our system. So it is the center of our solar system. Sun is not a planet, it's actually a star. Okay, so which planet do we live on? So we live on the planet of Earth. Okay, and then Mercury is the closest to Sun and the smallest. See, Mercury is closest to Sun. It is being mentioned the first one, and it's the smallest planet of all. Okay, so remember on previous lesson we learned about comparative adjective, whereby you say shorter than, bigger than, but now this is the closest. This one is superlative adjective, the closest, the smallest. Okay, and then Venus is the hottest planet, so hottest also is considered superlative adjective. Okay, so next one, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the coldest. So the coldest planets, there are 3. Okay, Neptune is the farthest planet. It's the most farthest from the sun. Okay, and then the last one, Jupiter is the biggest planet. So Mercury is the smallest. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Okay, that's why Neptune here is being mentioned last. Okay, now let's look at the question that you need to answer. Okay, how many planets are there in our solar system? Okay, remember the first point just now, there were 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, there are 8 planets in our solar system. Just drag it here. Okay, is the sun a planet? No, sun isn't a planet, it's a star. Okay. Okay, which is the smallest planet? The smallest planet would be the Neptune, because it is are you sure Neptune is the smallest planet? It says the farthest planet. I think this is not Neptune. This would be Mercury. I guess so, because based from here, it is also smallest planet, Mercury. Okay, it's my mistake. It's not Neptune, it's Mercury. Right, is the Venus hotter than Mercury? Yes, Venus is hotter than Mercury, although Mercury is closest to the sun, but the hottest planet, you see? But the hottest planet is Venus, okay? Alright, and next one, which are the coldest planets? So there are 3, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus are the coldest planet. And then Jupiter is the biggest planet, alright? So basically these are all the questions that you have to answer based on the text on page 98 in your textbook. Okay, so if you'd like to do this activity, please refer to the description link description section. I will attach a link on description section and you can try to complete today's task on that link. Alright, so I think that's all from me. I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.